Are more homeowners selling as mortgage rates come down? If you're looking to buy a home, the recent downward trend in mortgage rates is good news because it helps with affordability. But there's another way this benefits you. It may inspire more homeowners to put their houses up for sale. The mortgage rate lock in effect over the past year, one factor that's really limited the options for your move and how few homes were on the market. That's because many homeowners chose to delay their plans to sell once mortgage rates went up. An article from Freddie Mac explains the lack of housing inventory was partly driven by the rate lock-in effect. With higher rates, the incentive for existing homeowners to list their property and move to a new house has greatly diminished, leaving them rate locked. These homeowners decided to stay put and keep their current lower mortgage rate, rather than move and take on a higher one on their next home. Early signs show those homeowners are ready to move. And again, according to the latest data from Realtor.com, there were more homeowners putting their homes on the market for sale, known in the industry as new listings, in December of 2023 compared to December of 2022. See the graph. Here's why this is so significant. Typically, activity in the housing market cools down in the later months of the year as some sellers choose to delay their moves until January rolls around. This is the first time since 2020 that we're seeing an uptick in new listings this time of year. This could be a signal that the rate lock in effect has easing a bit in response to the lower rates. Bottom line, as mortgage rates come down, more sellers may re-enter the market. That gives you an opportunity to find the home you're looking for. Let's connect so you've got a local expert on your side who will help you stay on top of the latest listings in our area. I'm Deb Grimme, homesintwincities.com, and Edina Realty, providing personal service and delivering remarkable results. And as always, make it a great buying and selling day. Take care.